Okay, I'm about to show you how difficult it is to catch a Pomeranian to bring her in to go to bed at night. Come on, Chloe. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on, Chloe. Chloe, come on. Come on, Chloe. Come on. Come on. Chloe. Okay, now I'm gonna come and get you. Yeah, see, she's quick. She's very, very quick. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ouch. Oh boy. Would you come here? Chloe. Come here. Come here, please. Come on. Oh, man. Yeah, she does not make it easy at night. Do you, Chloe? Do you? Yeah.
What the hell is going on? You stay here while Nana goes to bed.
Come on, Chloe.